Even if you've carefully selected your eggs, every time you lift the lid, you'll find them cracked wide open, the whites foaming like soap bubbles, and the water murky. When you peel them, they stick together, shatter, and become misshapen, leaving you sighing helplessly. Today, I'll share with you a completely different way to boil eggs without dropping them directly into the pot of water, but the results are incredibly surprising. The eggs cook evenly, without cracking, foaming, or smelling fishy, and they don't stick to the shell. They're soft, sweet, round, and visually appealing. And best of all, this method is so simple that even someone new to the kitchen can do it right away. I'll guide you through each extremely simple step so everyone can succeed on their first try. Now, let's get started. First, we need to carefully select eggs before boiling them. Choose eggs with a slightly rough surface, as these are usually fresh. To check more accurately, simply drop the egg gently into a cup or bowl of water. If the egg sinks to the bottom, it means the egg is still fresh. If the egg does not sink completely or floats on the surface, it is an old egg. In addition, you can hold the egg and shake it gently as I am doing. If there is a rattling sound inside, it means the white and yolk have separated and the egg is no longer fresh. Fresh eggs are very compact inside, with almost no sound. Choosing the right fresh eggs will help our boiled eggs stay intact and taste much better. Next, prepare a basin of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 slices of lemon. Stir well. Then, I soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. This step helps clean the eggshells, remove odors, and prevent cracking during boiling. After soaking, I use a cloth to wipe each egg to remove any remaining dirt. Salt helps sterilize and clean the eggshells more effectively, which is very important because if the shells are still dirty, bacteria from the outside can get inside when cooking or cracking the eggs. Lemon has a mild acidity that helps dissolve stubborn dirt and remove the fishy smell from the eggshells, making the eggs cleaner and safer to prepare. Then rinse them again with clean water. Just wash them until the shells are shiny and clean like this. Then, remove the eggs and place them on a plate. Method 1. Next, I prepare a pot and pour in just enough water. Cover it and bring the water to a boil. While waiting, we prepare a few small heat-resistant bowls. I pour a thin layer of water into each bowl and gently swirl it around so that the water evenly coats the bottom and sides of the bowl. This step helps prevent the eggs from sticking and keeps the whites stable when steaming. Then, crack an egg into each bowl. When the water in the pot begins to boil vigorously, I turn off the heat and wait 1 to 2 seconds for the bubbles to settle. At this point, I place each bowl of eggs close to the surface of the water and tilt it slightly so that the eggs slide gently to the bottom of the pot. Pouring slowly like this helps the eggs stay in place without being torn or deformed. Then, I lift the bowl out of the pot. If you notice any abnormal eggs while cracking them, you should discard them immediately and absolutely not use them together, as they may ruin the whole pot of eggs. Once all the eggs are in the pot, cover it and turn the heat to low. Steam for 1 to 2 minutes for perfect results. When you open the lid, you will see the smooth white egg whites snugly enveloping the yolks, like silkworm cocoons, which is a sign that the eggs are perfectly cooked. The yolks will also be lightly set, soft, smooth, and very appealing. If you like to shape the eggs or want them cooked more thoroughly, just increase the steaming time by 2 minutes. And that's the first way to get a batch of soft, smooth, and visually appealing steamed eggs without any complicated techniques. But if you want to try a more interesting, quicker, and nearly foolproof method for beginners, which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Method 2. First, Prepare 3 eggs and cut 3 pieces of plastic wrap, about 25 to 30 centimeters wide. Spread the plastic wrap on the table, brush on a thin layer of cooking oil, then crack the eggs into the center so the whites don't run out. Then gather all the edges of the plastic wrap together and twist the top tightly to form a sealed egg pouch. If you don't have a twist tie, you can use a paper clip like I did. It's simple and still holds very securely. Next, place a pot of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. When the water is boiling vigorously, gently drop the egg pouch into it. Surprisingly, the plastic wrap does not melt or deform. It retains its shape, helping the egg inside cook evenly. You only need to boil it for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on whether you want soft-boiled or hard-boiled eggs. While the eggs are boiling, you'll see them gently spinning in the water like round candies, which is quite interesting. When the time is up, remove the egg pouch, let it drain for a few seconds, then use scissors to cut the tied end. Gently open the wrapping, and you'll immediately see a perfectly round, smooth, glossy white egg, just like a poached egg from a 5-star restaurant. Cut a slit in the middle. The yolk is perfectly soft cooked, without any cracks or breaks. Taking a bite is truly surprising. The egg is cooked evenly, has a smooth texture, and retains its natural flavor perfectly. This method is extremely clean, doesn't stick to the pot, doesn't break the eggs, and is almost impossible to fail. If you want a beautifully boiled egg, made quickly, without any complicated techniques, then this is definitely the method worth trying. All you need is a piece of plastic wrap and a few minutes, and you'll have a perfectly cooked egg. Method 3. First, I prepare a cup and place a small strainer on top of it. The purpose is to filter out the liquid egg whites on the outside, which can cause the eggs to spread out and lose their shape when cooked. Simply crack the eggs into the strainer, allowing the thick egg whites to naturally flow down while the liquid part remains on the strainer. Thanks to this small step, when steamed or boiled, the eggs will be much rounder, smoother, and more appealing. First, I prepare a medium-sized pot and pour in about 1 liter of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar to the pot. The vinegar plays a very important role. It helps the egg whites set quickly and prevents them from dispersing in the water. I turn on the stove and bring the pot of water to a medium heat. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you will see tiny bubbles appear at the bottom of the pot, and the water will be hot but not boiling. This is when the water reaches about 80-85 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal temperature for dropping in the eggs. Once the water is ready, I use a spoon to gently stir in a circular motion to create a small whirlpool in the center of the pot. Thanks to this whirlpool, when the eggs are added, the whites will naturally wrap around the yolks, helping the eggs form a rounder and neater shape. I keep the heat low, just simmering the water rather than boiling it vigorously. The egg will cook perfectly in about 2 to 3 minutes if you like soft yolks, or 4 to 5 minutes if you want the yolk to be more cooked. When the time is up, I use a slotted spoon to remove the egg, let it drain a little, then place it on a plate. The result is a smooth, round white egg with a soft, creamy yolk, perfect for eating with bread, noodles, or drizzled with a little soy sauce. This method is not only quick, but also extremely clean, oil-free, and almost never fails if you maintain the correct water temperature. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. From the steamed and boiled eggs, now we prepare the soy sauce. When eating boiled eggs this way, the sauce is the key to creating a special flavor. First, prepare a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar or rice vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of sesame oil or olive oil to create a light, rich aroma. Add freshly cut green onions. Stir well. When the eggs are done boiling, scoop about 2 tablespoons of the hot egg water into the bowl of seasonings. Stir gently, then pour the entire mixture into a small pot. Turn the heat to medium and stir well. Cook until the sauce begins to bubble around the edges of the pot, at which point the seasonings will be completely blended. As soon as the sauce simmers gently, turn off the heat to preserve the natural aroma of the soy sauce and olive oil. Dip the eggs into the bowl of sauce, ensuring the glossy sauce coats each egg evenly. The finished dish looks very appealing. Soft white eggs topped with a rich, glossy sauce, accented with the fresh green color of the scallions. When you taste it, you'll immediately notice the light saltiness from the soy sauce, a hint of mild sourness from the vinegar, blended with the very fragrant and easy-to-eat olive oil. This dish goes well with rice, but it's just as delicious with bread. And so, from seemingly simple eggs, we have created a beautiful, clean, and delicious meal with various boiling and steaming methods. By following the steps I have outlined, you will always have perfectly cooked eggs that are soft, smooth, uncracked, and retain their natural flavor. When served with warm, fragrant soy sauce, the eggs become even more flavorful and easier to eat. A few minutes of preparation, familiar ingredients, but the result is surprisingly appealing. How do you usually boil eggs? Or do you have any tips that I haven't mentioned? Please share them in the comments section. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to encourage me to share more interesting kitchen tips. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.